Clearing your search history on YouTube TV can help maintain your privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit the YouTube TV website in your browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select History. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled History or Privacy. Click on it to access your viewing and search history. Step 4. Clear Search History. Find the option to clear search history. This may be labeled as Clear Search History or something similar. Click on it to confirm that you want to delete your search history. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion of your search history. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on YouTube TV. Regularly managing your history can enhance your overall experience on the platform.